Hello guys, today I'm super excited to show you a new product I received. I'm going to be showing it to you. It's this one I have here, and well, I already opened it, but basically it is a mini fridge. Okay, I'm going to use this one to save my skincare. I already have it here, but I like it because you can also use it maybe if you want to put there food or some drinks, maybe the bottles mini of water, maybe to have it in your room or in the like in a common area you have in your house. Okay, so I'm going to be opening and then I'm going to show you. Okay, when we open the product, it comes like this. I choose this beautiful pink color. It's like a super gorgeous color, but well, I'm going to open it to show you. It looks like this, okay? And when you open it, you just pull this part down and then you open it and that's how it looks. Okay, I like that this part you can put maybe, for example, if you're going to save food, maybe you can put here some snacks, chocolates, or I don't know what you want for food here. And here it fits perfect, maybe a small bottle of water. Okay, but I'm going to be putting my skincare. Okay, so also in the package it came the cable. Okay, it's this one, like maybe for the car, I think, and then this one that it goes to the wall. Okay, so I'm going to connect it and I'm going to show you. Okay guys, I already have it here. Okay, and I just connect this part into the second part. I'm going to show you this one. And well, I like that here it comes like the off switch, but you can put it cold or hot, the fridge. And also you can use this one that it's AC and DC. Okay, so I'm going to be connecting it. I'm going to put it in the cold part. Okay, here I just turn on this one. It was like this. I just put it in AC and that's it. I'm going to put it here. Okay, for the first impression, I can feel like some air inside, and the walls are already cold. So I'm going to be putting my skincare. I have these 3 products here, and I'm going to be putting, for example, the first one I can put it here. Maybe the second one I can put it like this, and the third one, like it's small, I can put it here. Or also I can put it here. For example, I'm going to put this one here and this one there. And I'll close it. And that's it. What you think about this product? Really, I think it's incredible. And well, it helps a lot to have these type of products because you can put a lot of things here inside and you can use it for many ways. Today I'm using it for skincare, but you can use it for a lot of things. So I hope you like it. And well, the color, it's super perfect. I like it a lot. It's very bright. Okay, and well, here, don't forget that in the package it comes the user manual of the instruction manual of the mini fridge. I hope you like it.